Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on the messenger icon in the top right, and then you need to click on the plus icon, and then you need to select the people that you want into the group and click on chat, and then you need to select and send a message here, and then you need to click on see group members, or you can click on the top. So these are my group members, and you can start conversation with them, and you can do chat with them from here. Currently you can send them pictures also from here. You can select stickers that you sent here, and this is the way you can create a group chat on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.